Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I want to say y'all something. Thanks very much guys. God bless all of y'all what y'all donated. It's just start from little small amount guys. I want to continue it, and you don't have to put big amount, small amount. And something else guys, I want to tell y'all that this channel will be only my cooking channel. So I'm opening next another channel will be for feeding the poor, and Shailin will give you all the link guys. We'll show you all. Thank you guys so much. God will bless you all.
Right, guys. So, as Mom was saying, this Saturday we'll be doing our feeding. So, guys, on this channel here, what you're watching, we'll be showing you guys all the preparation and the cooking of the meal and the making of the hamper and everything. And on Mom's new channel, guys, which is sharing food with Bina Ramalingam, I'll leave the link below in the description so you guys can copy and follow, go onto the link and you can go onto the channel because it's a bit new, so it's a bit hard typing it and finding it. So I'll leave the link. You can just click on the link or copy it and paste and go onto the channel. Make sure you subscribe, guys, so that on Saturday, either afternoon or Sunday morning, when we do post the video on the new channel, then you'll get notified and you can watch us feeding and everything. As Mom says, she don't want to do this just once. She want to do this continuously every month. So to help feed the community. So whatever money she gains from the new channel also, and whatever money she has, and from all the donations together, she will combine it, and every month, guys, she'll try and do something for the poor community. So that new channel, when you are watching, make sure you follow, go onto the description, and you can find everything onto the description, ways to support her, the entire store and everything, guys. So make sure you subscribe to the new channel with the link below, and make sure you subscribe on this channel what you're watching, so you can watch the preparation of the food and the feeding on the next channels. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy and share it.